The flood sensor is used with the TrickleStar Water Heater Controller to detect if your water heater is leaking. Begin by peeling off the liner from the double-sided tape attached to the flood sensor. Attach the flood sensor to the bottom of your water heater about 1/8 of an inch above the drain pan surface. Make sure the metal probes are pointing down and do not touch any metal. Connect the flood sensor wire to either of the sensor terminals on your water heater controller. The load LED on the water heater controller will blink if the flood sensor detects any water. A water leak icon will also be displayed on the control page of both the portal and the mobile app.